Our series products number 514 and number 515 have inherited our original design concept, pursuing excellent toys. Compared with our old products, our latest products keep the same high quality, high standard, and strict control of production. Moreover, they break traditional office decorating toys and widen our varieties to garden decorating toys. Both the design and the new functions are very impressive, which further enrich the intention of our products and meet the different requirements of consumers from all levels. The components of number 514 include a 514 base, a bird's body, a tail, and a demountable branch, and a positioning paper ruler. The components of number 515 include a 515 base, 2 birds' bodies, 2 tails, and 2 demountable branches, and a positioning paper ruler. Procedure of installation for number 514. Firstly, open the battery cover. Install 3 size AA batteries into it, and then plug a branch into the base. Install the tails in the bird, and then install the bird in the base. Put the product on the nail, which is fixed on the wall by using positioning paper ruler, and hang the product. Finally, the installation is completed. Procedure of installation for number 515. Firstly, open the battery cover. Load 3 size AA batteries into it, and then plug in 2 branches into the base on each side of the base. Install the tails into birds, and then install the bird in the base. Put the product on the nail, which is fixed on the wall by using the positioning paper ruler, and then hang the product. Finally, the installation is completed. Please read the instructions on the printed box before starting the product. And the products will present us 4 functions: light control, heat sensor, recording, and sound control. A. Light control. Under the well-lit condition and within the effective sensing range, the action of the product is triggered by the change of light caused by our action, and the effective sensing range is 11 meters. B. Heat sensor. The action of the product is triggered by sensing the change of our body's temperature in either well-lit or dim environment, and the sensing distance is 2 to 4 meters. C. Recording and sound control. Number 514's recording function. When it hears sounds, it begins recording. The length of the recording time is 3 seconds or less than 3 seconds. It depends on the length of your speech. You can start the record and play the recording rapidly twice.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
When it stops recording, randomly you will play the words like I love you, I see you, and sounds like laugh or whistle.
I hear you.
After 1 minute and 30 seconds, the toy moves to the sleep mode. This protects the circuit board. When you want to reuse it, you need to restart the product. Number 515's recording function includes recording and changing the sound. The sound triggers the product's recording. The recording time is 3 seconds or less than 3 seconds, which depends on the length of your speech. We can achieve the different functions transformed by turning the switch. Turn left, our recording will be transformed into a female voice.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Can you see me? Welcome home.
Turn right, our recording will be transformed into a male's voice.
Merry Christmas. Come on. Happy birthday.
When the product starts recording, it will play the previous recordings that you made. You can record anytime when it stops. Both the sounds and moods are played randomly.
Come on.
Turn the switch in the middle, it will turn to the sound control function. The action of the product is triggered by the appropriate sound volume. Then different bird calls and bird moods are played in random. This product has two kinds of packet boxes, printed box and window box, which means different consumers' taste for classic fashionable toys. This product can also be used as home decoration and a doorbell. It is very interesting. All the products have patent certificates. Please be aware of the counterfeits. Moreover, passing series of tags including EN71, ROSH, EN62115, ASTM, and CPSIA. Our products are testified to be safe, durable, and environment friendly. Please rely on us and be at ease for your purchase.